We're going hunting. Yes, we're going hunting for some treasures. Welcome to the Alabama Pickers channel, where we go to yard sales, flea markets, thrift stores, estate sales, and more to find items that are unique and sellable to flip for profit. Please come along and join us on our adventures of eBay bliss. Please like and subscribe to our channel and come back and visit us often. Thanks again. Good morning. This is Sam. Welcome to the Alabama Pickers channel. Well, today is Saturday and we're going out to one of our neighborhoods for a yard sale. And look what I got. Stacks of cash. So I'm going to go out there and see what I can find. But I want you to look and see how early it is out here. It is still very dark out here. So we're going hunting. Yes, we're going hunting for some treasures. And hopefully we'll find something really great. So we look forward to you coming along.
A silver Honda Odyssey 3BF 1220 is the license plate. Ooh, we just tore the corner off your van. We apologize. I'm trying to get you.
You can break those up.
5 minutes, people, 5 minutes until the 10th annual Lions Club Pike Road Yard Sale begins.
Are these prices firm? Are you not this isn't your booth?
Yeah. Carol Ann,
Yes.
what you want to give for it?
I'd give 5 on it.
Carol Ann, he wants to give 5 for this?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, do you want this for $10?
Yeah.
We have a hoarder.
My in-law passed away, and it's his father and his mother. So he's hanging on to everything. And I'm
Okay.
like, baby, we just can't do that. So
I'm not upset. I
he's sad,
understand.
but I want it to go.
I understand.
I feel like
This is
drawing
yours.
for a door prize.
All right, and I'm gonna get 2 of these. These are $5 each.
All right.
With the Lions Club. Get yourself.
I'm coming back. Okay,
Would you do 25 on it?
on both of them? Give me 35.
It's just one camera. Yeah. It's got a lens and it's
Okay, just give me the 25.
okay.
Thank you, darling.
No, I'm just watching the booth for the other one.
Thought you had the 1 2 with it.
Right over here to my right, your left.
So what?
The feedlot. Bloom. San Marcos has contributed a $50
You knew what I was doing, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's even got film with it. That's not bad. Does it have like a battery charger that comes with it?
Sweet Creek has donated a gift card. VS Nails right over here. As donated a manicure and a pedicure. Texas Roadhouse. We've got some gift cards from
They're right.
Heather Pierce Design. Bojangles.
You did like me, got me a bunch of more.
Wayne Dixie. And we're going to kick this off with Karen's $15 gift card. But that's not all. We've got a gift basket from Renfro's. We've got a gift.
I think that's 19.
There you go. Thank you very much. Another winner. That's 2 now. Hey,
Oh, yeah, you can,
Yeah, I'll do those.
really
These are
wanted
5 apiece.
another
they are.
Could you take mine?
Huh?
Will you
Got
take it?
such a line.
Would you do 4 for 15?
That's
These
fine.
people to get a chance.
I'm getting those.
Oh, okay.
This is a dilemma.
Oh, these.
I would get
right
these
here.
4. I'll do these
How we
4.
doing out there? Everybody having a good time so far? Yeah.
Okay. Did you see this box of hats I got? Check this out. Cowboy hat and all of these.
$30
Let's
gift
take it to
card
the
from
pan.
Texas.
All right, let's do that.
And I am giving that away to the person.
All right, guys and gals. Here we are back again at the world headquarters, and it's starting to get a little bit crowded in here. We did a lot of sourcing yesterday out there at the yard sales. There was a community yard sale not too far from here in Montgomery, Alabama. But I wanted to show you some of the things that I got that were not captured on the camera that when I was out actually doing the sourcing. I did get some of it, but didn't get all of it. But I want to share with you what I did get. So here we go. You did see this DJ Hero on the camera. It's got the game in it, and it is complete. So I looked this up, and this is about $35 to $40. So we'll put that on there. Got this printer. This is a regular HP printer. In the box, it's fairly new. It says $15 on it. You see that where it says $15? I ended up getting it for $5. It was at the end of the day, and the guy said that he would be willing to take $5 for it. So that was a good deal on that. It's a HP printer, and he said it works well. So I haven't looked up the sold comps on this, but I will check it out. I think it'll do pretty good. Now I didn't, yeah, there is a cord with it, so that's good. It's got both cords actually. It's got the power cord, and it's also got the cord for the computer hookup. So maybe I'll try to hook that up and see how well it does work. Also got this. It was listed for $10. It's a Ultimate Collection. Looks like the core, like G.I. Joe type stuff, and it's just a bunch of action figures in there. It lists for about $35, $35, and I was able to pick this up for $5, so that was a good deal on that one. Then I got this Canon printer in the box, and this is a Canon printer new in the box. It's a Pixma IP100. So this is pretty much, it even has its cartridges come with it, the ink cartridges come with it, everything, cables, electric, everything is there with it. So that should do pretty good. I've got several printers now that I need to get rid of. I shouldn't be buying any more printers, but I got this and we'll see how it does. Alright, moving on. I want to show you something really crazy. Alright, we're here in the state of Alabama, so you have 2 teams in Alabama. You got Auburn and you got Alabama, right? So this is the Auburn hat, right? That's a good hat. This whole box of hats got for $10. Georgia Southern, I think. This one is a Mast store and from the Outfitters, and Marlin hat, looks like Pensacola Beach, Florida. Yeti cooler hat. Miami Dolphins offshore angler. Let's see what it says here on the back. Saltwater tackle specialties. Some kind of pirate hat. Samford University, which is a university here in the great state of Alabama. Here's another Auburn Tigers hat. Adams Motorcycles. Bassmasters. Eddie Bauer. Marlin. Now this is the one I want you to see. Alright. This is an Auburn hat. Embroidered Auburn in the front, right? Okay. So Auburn's moniker is War Eagle, or not, definitely not Crimson Tide. So this is obviously a misprint. It says Crimson Tide on the back. There's crimson stripes on the top of the hat, and then it's got Auburn on the front. So this is obviously a misprint. Skull hat. This is frog hair. I don't know what that is about. Frog hair. Frog hair fishing. Okay, it must be a fishing lure. Gamma Technologies. Okay. And then last but not least, Bass Pro Shops. We got this box. Oh, this hat came in that box also. Part of the deal. It's a Hereford hat. And it's Atwood Hat Company, Preston, Texas, and it's made in Mexico. Okay. Got this bag right here. This is a typical bag for carrying stuff in, backpack type bag. Vera Bradley. See? Got the Vera Bradley logo embroidered inside of it. Okay, don't know how much that will go for, but I bought it for $5. This is some kind of foot gym thing. This thing was very cheap, I think a couple of bucks. Don't know how much it's worth either. But found these Afghans. I've sold some Afghans in the past. This is the Granny Square type Afghan. It's a pretty nice looking Afghan. The ones I've sold in the past sold for about $39. Paid $3 a piece for these. And that's about what I pay for Afghans. But I usually get about $39. And then there's actually 3 of them here. Here's the third one. My favorite is the Granny Square Afghan. And then coming over here. Boy, this place is needing a good cleaning, isn't it? Look at this. It's starting to get out of control. Way out of control. Anyway, I've got this camera here. This is a, if I can get it open. It's a Canon SureShot. Oh, Kodak, not Canon. Kodak SureShot. And it's one of those SureShot cameras that you can plug up to those printing docking stations. And this is actually the camera. Looks like this was the display camera at one time. So I bought that for $10, I believe, and I think it'll go for about $35 or $40. So we'll go in here. Oh, wait a minute. I got to show these 2 golf clubs I've got. Got this one. It's called an Intimidator. It's top flight. It's a Intimidator titanium 4000. So it's a titanium putt, 3 iron, and it came with a 3 iron cover. This is the one. This Callaway Golf. I paid $5 a piece for these. This is the Big Bertha Steelhead Plus. This came with its head cover. So the head cover by itself will go for 15 to 20 bucks, just by itself. And I paid $5 for the club and the cover. So this is a Callaway Steelhead Plus Big Bertha. So this is actually the club that goes in with that. So I think I can sell them both for about 35-40 bucks with the club and the club head cover. So we'll get to this on the over here. Got all these shoes. Got this pair of Nikes. These are were $5 a pair. These are really in good shape, good condition. A pair of Nike high tops. Here's another pair of Nike tennis shoes. I've never seen any like this before, but I like the design there on the bottom, and I like the design on the top too. I think they'll sell pretty good, but they don't appear to be made out of leather. They're made out of some type of plastic material. I think they're made for beach wear, something like that. Then I got this pair of Nikes here that were in great condition, and they're called Nike Zoom. They were in really good condition, almost new condition. I'm getting to where I don't buy shoes that are not in good condition because they're just so much trouble to clean up and get ready to go. And then this is a pair that I got. Teva. I don't know this brand too well. A pair of Converse and a pair of Vans off the wall. Got 2 Coach purses. One of them has already been listed, so I don't have it here on the table. But here's the other one, and the lady that sold these to me sold 2 of them. This is the purse that's not quite as nice as the other one. The other one is really nice, but this one and the other one she sold for $35. I've got the other one listed for $59.99 right now, and this one will be listed as well. And it's got the Coach. Let's look at the inside. Let's see if the tag thing is in there. Yep, there it is. You can see it in there. Alright, so this is another good deal. I got this camera right here. I've already tested it. It works. It came with these 2 lenses. Really good shape. These 2 lenses were in good shape. Came with a flash. Came with a couple rolls of film. So I'm going to list this for about $59.99. But I found another one, and I didn't realize it when I picked it up at the other yard sale, the community yard sale. It's actually the same exact camera. See, these 2 are the same exact Nikon N65 cameras, and I've tested them both. They're both working well. They'll both list for about $55, $59. This one only has 1 extra lens with it, so it won't go for as much as that one, but it will. I'll probably list this one for about $65 with the 2 lenses, 3 lenses, the flash, and extra film to go with it. And this one will be listed for about $59. So that's what we got for our haul yesterday when we went out, and it's a lot of fun, but it was also a lot of work. But we really enjoy doing that kind of thing, and we're going to do a lot more of it. Hopefully, being down in the south here in Alabama, the weather stays warmer longer in the year, so our yard sale season extends on into the fall and sometimes into the winter. So we really don't stop having yard sales until like January, February, when it really gets cold and people just don't want to be out. So that's what we got, and I got to get all this stuff listed. I got a lot of stuff to list, so I'm going to try to get all this stuff listed, put it out there on eBay, and get it sold as quickly as possible. But I need to stop buying for a little while. I'm probably not going to do any sourcing for a month or 2 so I can get all this stuff listed, because I am, as I said before, just a part-time eBayer. I don't do this full-time. I have a full-time job, and but I do enjoy doing it, like I said before, and I'm going to continue doing it as long as I'm having a good time with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and like, and come back and join us again in the future. But until then, we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.